Namaskar. When we think about skin aging, most people think about age, genetics, or external care. They say, what can we do? Aging is natural. Yes, aging is natural, but premature aging is not. In yoga, we do not look at the skin as a separate cosmetic layer. We understand that skin is a reflection of digestion, circulation, hormonal balance, and a state of mind. That is why two people of the same age can look completely different. One has calmness and glow, the other has dryness, dullness, and early wrinkles. The difference lies not in products, but in daily food habits and lifestyle choices. To understand why this happens, first we must understand how body processes food and nourishment. According to Ayurveda, when digestive fire is weak, which is called as Agni, and if it is disturbed, food is not properly processed. This leads to the formation of Am or toxic residue. Am does not remain in stomach. It circulates in the body, burdens the liver, slows circulation, and gradually blocks the flow of prana. When this happens over months and years, the skin, which is the outermost and the last nourished organ, begins to show the damage. Remember, creams works on the surface, food works at the root. Today, let's understand which food quietly accelerates skin aging. First is excess sugar. Let's begin with sugar. This is one of the most common causes of premature skin aging. When excess sugar enters the body daily, it remains in circulation longer than needed. This sugar binds with protein like collagen and elastin through a process called glycation. In simple terms, collagen fibers become stiff and weak. They lose their flexibility. Over time, skin loses its ability to stretch and recover. This is why fine lines appear early. Skin begins to sag. The face looks tired even after rest. Sugar does not only come from sweets, it comes from biscuits with tea, all the bakery products, soft drinks, packaged juices, and even healthy snacks. That small daily habit seems harmless, but skin aging is never sudden. It is accumulated over time. Yoga does not forbid sweetness, but it teaches us to respect quantity and frequency. Here are some natural replacements. Natural sweetness from fruits, dates, or little jaggery, taken mindfully, does not burden the body in the same way. Second, packaged and ultra-processed food. In yogic science, food is not just judged by calorie, it is judged by prana. Packaged and ultra-processed food has preservatives, artificial flavors, and refined ingredients, but they have very little prana. When such food is eaten regularly, digestion becomes dull, nutrients are not properly absorbed, circulation becomes sluggish, gradually the skin becomes lifeless, the complexion looks dull, and the texture becomes uneven. Many people say, I eat enough, but the question is, does your body actually receive nourishment? Dead food cannot create living skin. Yoga always emphasizes freshly prepared, simple seasonal food because it supports digestion and pranic flow. Many people tell me I eat home cooked food. I don't eat junk daily. Then why is my skin still aging? The answer is very simple. It is not what you eat occasionally. It is what you eat repeatedly without awareness. Third, refined flours and refined grains. Refined flour products such as white bread, maida, roti, noodles, and bakery items are stripped of fibers and minerals. When such food enters the body, digestion slows, blood sugar fluctuates, and toxic formation increases. Over time, the gut becomes sluggish and the liver is burdened. This first affects the skin, leading to lack of glow, dark circles, and uneven tone. In yoga, digestion is central to health. A calm and efficient digestive system reflects as clarity on the face. Replace refined food with whole grain, millets, and fiber rich products. They support Agni and slows down aging naturally. Fourth, deep fried and oily food. Foods, when deep fried in repeatedly heated oil, overload the liver and create oxidative stress in the body. When free radical increase, skin cells are damaged faster, pigmentation increases, and elasticity reduces. This is why people who consume such fried food often experience sudden aging, especially around the eyes and mouth. Eating occasionally, like during festival, is accepted. But regular indulgence creates imbalance. If you want to eat something like this, prepare them fresh at home and avoid reheating oil. Yoga teaches us that food should be light, digestible, and supportive, not heavy and exhausting. Choose lightly cooked, steamed, or roasted food prepared with minimal oil, as they are easier to digest and do not burden the liver or dull the skin. Fifth, excess salt. Excess salt disturbs the body's water balance. It causes dehydration at the cellular level. Even if one drinks enough water, this is why people experience puffiness on the face. People see dry skin despite moisturizers and fine lines becoming prominent. Hidden salt in packaged food, pickles, papads, and sauces are often the main culprit. Yoga advises balanced and not a bland food, but with awareness. When the body is well hydrated internally, the skin softens naturally. Use salt judiciously and not generously in fresh home cooked food, and supports hydration through adequate water and water rich fruits and vegetables. Sixth is caffeine and stimulants. Tea, coffee, cocoa, wine, liquor, and other stimulants overstimulate the nervous system. When the nervous system remains constantly activated, body stays in the stress response. This leads to poor sleep, mental restlessness, hormonal imbalance. Stress hormone accelerates aging faster than age itself. Dark circles deepens, skin repair slows down, and natural glow reduces. But when the nervous system relaxes, the body enters a healing mode and the skin reflects the balance. So prefer calming beverages that supports digestion, sleep, and nervous system balance. Seventh is alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking deeply dehydrates the skin, damages collagen, and reduces oxygen supply. No cosmetic treatment can reverse this damage. Yoga encourages clarity, awareness, and respect for the body. Skin does not demand perfection. It demands consistency, simplicity, and mindfulness. Replace stimulants with practices that enhance oxygenation and calmness, such as conscious breathing, regular movements, and proper rest. Remember, a healthy digestion and a calm mind always reflects on the skin. For the next few days, become aware. Do not change everything. Just observe. Remove one habit that burdens your body and notice how skin responds. When you live with awareness, healing follows naturally. Namaskar.